So hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to DevLab.ai. So guys, in this video, we're going to sort of validate data in Google Sheet, guys. So guys, if you're new to the please make sure please like and subscribe the channel as well as hit the bell icon so that new videos can be updated to you. So guys, I am getting views but not the subscribers. So please do like and subscribe the channel. It will be more motivated to solve solution based on cloud as well as AI, guys. So let's start the lab and follow the lab instructions very carefully, guys. So you will not get any issue while following the lab. Just pause the video and then start to apply in your lab, guys. So just click on start the lab, guys, here, and then wait for a second. Let me log into a credentials here. So just copy a password here and open a Google Sheets in the window. So now click on next here. So paste your password here and click on next here. So click on I understand here. So now guys, just come back to your lab and click on task number one here. So here in the task number one, on the raise bakery customer and items, and a blue link has been generated here. Right click on this and open this link in inverter window. So after that, what will be done is that here. So click on this file here. Click on and make a copy. So click on make a copy here. After a new copy will be displayed in your tab. Okay, new tab. So now what will be done? Just come back here and come below here, and we need to just come back here. So click on got it and everywhere here. So now what will be done is that click on items here. Okay, so click on your items at the last and below your customers here below, and another tab is there, right? Click on these items here. So now click on the section A here. Okay, now click on view here. So click on view here, click on this freeze and click on one row here. So after freezing one row here, click on column number C here and right click on this and just come back here. What will be done is I'm showing you. So number of items. Okay, uh, so just come back here and right click on this column number C, and you can see sort the sheet to A to Z. Click on this A to Z and your output will be like this. So just come back here, and now what will be done is that, so now we need to add a sheet here. Okay, so now click on this plus icon here. So here we need added sheet number 3 is added here. So just come back here and just copy the name here. Okay, we need to rename the name here. Just copy the item sorted by unit price here. Just copy this and just come back here, and you can see at the sheet number 3 an arrow mark here. Click on this, select this and click on rename here. So paste the name which you have been recently copied here. So after click on enter here. So after entering this, just come back here and just copy the formula from is equal to at the false braces. Just copy this and just come back here, and it must be in A1 here. You can see it must be in A1 here, and then paste the formula here. So and output has been updated here. Okay, so just come back here and now click on check my progress, and finally guys, you will get a green tick without any issue here. So now at task number 2. So guys, in this everyone is getting error, so please do watch the video very carefully and start to apply. Pause the video and start to apply here. Okay, so let me move to items here. Come back to our items here, click on this items here. So now just come back here. Now click on the a here. Okay, here a column, click on this a column and click on this data here. So after clicking data, click on create filter here. Okay, click on this create filter. So after creating a filter here, you can see item name. Beside this item name, you can see this three lines icon here. Okay, click on this three lines icon here, and now come below here. You can see this many of options are ticked here. Okay, so here untick this cinnamon bun. Okay, untick this cinnamon bun here and click on OK here. So after clicking OK here, so just come back here and then click on check my progress. Finally guys, you will get a green tick without any issue here. And the next step what will be done is here. So just come back here, and now we need to remove this filter icon. Okay, so right click on this. Okay, click on this, yeah, this, click on this column here and click on this data, and you can see remove filter. Click on this remove filter here, and filter has been removed here. So now what to be done is that just come back here, and we need to create a new filter, create a new filter view. Okay, so click on this data and click on create a filter view. Okay, click on this create filter view. So and like this interface has been displayed here. Click on this dismiss here, and now click on this three lines beside this item name. Click on these three lines here. So just come below, and you can see cinnamon bun has been again ticked here. So untick this cinnamon bun here and click on OK here. So after clicking OK here, click on save view. So click on save view and click on save here. So after saving this, just remove this into mark and just come back here and click on check my progress. So finally guys, you will get a green tick without any issue. Do follow video very carefully guys and start to apply. So you will get a green tick here. Wait for a second until it get updated. So finally you will get a green tick here. So it has been updated here. So add task number 3. So what to be done is that, so guys, before that I will put a link in description of the telegram. So just go to telegram and join our telegram link, and any queries to be discussed, you can discuss there only. And then guys, So just come back here in a Telegram, and you can see this. Click on the search here and search the GSP1062, and click on this, and file will be displayed like this. Okay, click on this and download the file. So after downloading this file here, just come back here. So just come back here and come back to our this spreadsheet here, and click on file. So click on this file and click on this import here. So after clicking this import here, click on this upload, click on this browse. So after click on this Telegram desktop, and which you have been download developed AI 1062 file, select this file and click on open here. So after opening the file here, so make sure that the import location must be replace spreadsheet. Okay, replace the spreadsheet and click on import data. So after clicking the import data, so a new interface and new updated spreadsheet has been displayed. This many of created users has been done here. Click on got it here. Just come back here and click on task number 3, and below task number 3 click on check my progress. So you will get a green tick without any issue here. So let me move on task number 2 as well as. So click on check my progress. So click on you will get a green tick without any issue here also. Let me move on task number 5. Click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick without any issue, guys. Finally, guys, we have been completed successfully this lab, guys. So guys, if you facing any issue, please do comment in the comment section, or else just join our Telegram as well WhatsApp community. So you will get an very updated solutions based on cloud as well as AI, guys. So do subscribe and do like this video, and let me meet on next video, guys. Thank you.